Okay, I didn't realize this was already live. And I guess I created that dumb effect. But this is really what I want to show you is I was in a Ty Lopez training thing and they were talking about just be different. So I am going to have a conversation with ChatGPT 4.0. Here is my microphone. I'm going to see if I can get prime it with an prompt and get feedback from it or have a conversation with it with my own mastermind group about like how to better market what I'm doing for the local businesses. During the industrial revolution, many people committed suicide, and I am not promoting suicide by any means. I am trying to stay true to what I said about 25 years ago, 26 years ago when I graduated from Texas A&M. I came back to El Paso and that was what I cared about was mental health. And since then, because I care about the quality of life for myself and my pets and my family and stuff, I switched to software. And because I just found software delightful. And so I am really all about like helping as many people stay strong through what I see in the numbers, and I guess the writing is on the wall from a lot of sources that what we're up against is unfathomable and not yet seen. So if that many people were struggling during the industrial revolution, I can only imagine what this AI revolution is going to be like because I already feel it. And I'm doing fine, but I also had set up my life to thrive a while ago. So without further ado, let's see if I can get um, this thing to read it back to me. If not, I'll read it to you. Pardon my dogs. Okay, so I'm gonna read the prompt to you. Pretend you are the collective mastermind of Ty Lopez, Codie Sanchez, Carnegie Mellon, Warren Buffett, Grant Cardone, and Napoleon Hill. Can you help me walk through the business sales pitch on why local businesses should hire me to help them survive the AI apocalypse? Specifically, we can use AI to help them close sales. Our premise is that 80% of sales fall through the cracks because there is not follow-up. With my help, we can make sure they have the follow-up system set in place. We can use AI to help analyze data and crunch numbers to streamline the sales process so the business owner can be freed up to solve bigger problems. The bottom line is, do you need to win so your business can stay alive through this AI revolution? Can you please help me answer this question? Like, it's not like it's easy for me either. Okay, so basically it's telling me to speak like Ty Lopez style and then Codie Sanchez style, and I can align with that. I don't know Carnegie Mellon style, but I can see his words a little bit more technical. And then Warren Buffett style, basically he's just being to be like less risky and more risk averse. And then talk like Grant Cardone. I'm gonna have to recruit someone with his strong voice, with the strong voice, or like start speaking from the what is it called? Like your when you speak from in here. I forget what it's called. I'm just kind of nervous because I don't usually do these live. And then vision and mindset through Napoleon Hill. Okay, so it's basically giving me a pitch. So I'm gonna see if now I can actually talk. I might log off of this and see and like kill this stream and troubleshoot more first. Can you please give me a more concrete word by word sales pitch?
Of course, here's a more concrete, word by word sales pitch tailored to your needs. Introduction. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Name business owner. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you today. I'd like to discuss a pressing issue that's reshaping the business landscape, the AI revolution. Setting the scene. Remember when businesses thought the internet was just a fad? Those who didn't adapt were left behind. Today, we're at a similar juncture with AI, highlighting the problem. Research indicates that a staggering 80% of potential sales are lost due to lack of follow-up. That's 8 out of 10 potential customers slipping away. It's not because you or other business owners don't care, but because the traditional methods are overwhelmed by today's demands. Introducing the solution. This is where I come in. With my expertise, we can harness the power of AI to...
Am I able to interrupt you here? Because I don't know that this is exactly what I want to say. I don't want to fear monger, but can you please get to the point for what it means to them more quickly at the beginning? Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, I'm sure that there's like probably plugins and wrappers that work better than this, because I actually set this up like, I don't know, like January, February, March, like around March or April. So let me try this again, so that I don't waste this. No, I won't waste it. Yeah, it's already in here. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh and I'm gonna ask it to like, can you please make this sales pitch more to the point? I want them from the onset, within the first 5 seconds, to feel the emotional rise of knowing that this is kind of time sensitive because this thing is progressing fast.
Absolutely. Let's craft a concise, emotionally charged pitch that conveys urgency from the get-go. Immediate urgency. Every day you wait, your business is losing ground. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here, and it's moving fast. Highlighting the problem. Right now, 8 out of 10 potential sales are slipping through your fingers, not because you're not trying, but because traditional methods can't keep up. Introducing the solution. I have the solution, a cutting-edge AI system that ensures no let goes unattended. It's not just about technology, it's about securing your business's future. Benefits. By acting now, you'll capture lost sales, every lead, maximized, gain efficiency, instant data analysis and streamline sales, stay ahead, while others lag, you'll lead, closing with urgency. The clock is ticking, and every moment counts. Are you ready to seize the future and ensure your business thrives in the AI era? This pitch is designed to grab attention immediately and convey a sense of urgency throughout, adjust as needed based on your audience.
Okay, and now can we pretend that I am your client, your potential client, and I have some questions that I want to see how you answer?
Of course, I'm ready to address any questions you might have as a potential client. Please go ahead and ask.
I don't want to use any cutting edge anything. I just want to get to sales, and I don't even know what any of this means. What are you trying to sell me here?
I completely understand your concerns. Let's simplify things. At its core, what I'm offering is a tool to help you make more sales. You know how sometimes potential customers show interest but then nothing happens? That's because, often, there's no follow-up or the follow-up isn't effective. What I'm proposing is a system that helps you keep track of those potential customers and reminds you or your team to reach out to them. It's like having an assistant who never forgets and always knows the best time to remind a customer. This means more of those potential sales actually turn into real sales. In short, I'm offering a way to make sure you don't leave money on the table. Would that be something you're interested in?
Yes, I'm interested in that, but I don't have money and I don't really understand technology. So what are you just selling me a funnel system or something?
I appreciate your honesty. Let's break it down. What I'm offering, think of it as a digital assistant. It's a system that helps you keep track of potential customers and reminds you to follow up with them. It's designed to turn more of those potential sales into real sales. Cost concerns. I understand budget constraints. We can discuss a plan that fits within your budget. Remember, the goal is to help you make more sales, which in turn can cover the cost of the system. Technology. You don't need to be tech savvy. We'll set everything up for you, and it'll be straightforward to use. If you can use email or a calendar, you can use this system. Is it a funnel system? It's more than just a funnel. While funnels guide potential customers towards a sale, our system ensures that those who've shown interest are consistently engaged until they make a purchase. Would you be open to a trial or a demonstration to see how it works and if it's a good fit for your business?
Yeah, that sounds interesting, but where are you getting this data from? I mean, I'm a restaurant and I don't even have a website. So basically, people call me, and if I'm not here to answer, they don't really know our menu and they don't have a way to access our menu.
Thank you for sharing more about your business. Given that context, here's how we can help. Data source. In your case, the data would primarily come from the calls and interactions you have with potential customers. we can set up a simple system where, after a call, you or your staff can quickly input details about the customer's inquiry. This will help in following up later. Menu accessibility. One immediate solution we can offer is creating a simple digital menu. Even if you don't have a website, there are platforms where we can host your menu, and you can share the link with customers when they call. This way, even if you're not available to answer, they can still view your offerings. Follow-up system. With the digital assistant system, if someone calls and shows interest but doesn't place an order, the system will remind you to follow up with them. Maybe they wanted to think about their order or discuss it with someone else. A gentle reminder can turn that interest into a sale. Future growth. As we work together, we can explore more ways to make your restaurant more accessible to customers, like setting up a basic website or using social media platforms to showcase daily specials. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for potential customers to access your menu, place orders, and for you to follow up with them. Would you like to proceed with the trial to see how this can benefit your restaurant?
Well, let me get back to you. I'm going to talk to my husband and our 15 kids because here in El Paso, like nobody cares about any of this except having children and taking them out to eat because we're not scared of diabetes here.
I completely understand. Family and community are essential, and it's crucial to make decisions that resonate with your values and lifestyle. Whenever you're ready or if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. In the meantime, enjoy your time with your family, and I hope your restaurant continues to be a cherished spot for many in El Paso. Take care.
Oh, thanks. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to end this stream here. Sorry for all the delay at the beginning, but I wanted to be like real transparent. Like it's equally annoying to me, some of this tech so far, and some of it doesn't work, some of it does. But I have a meeting to attend on becoming better at selling. And yes, this is my first attempt at selling. Bye.